Okay, I want to do some of these questions that are a little bit more challenging. The first ones aren't so challenging, really. You find the gradient, and then you try and find the perpendicular line. So you just put in the numbers, get the gradient, you go, oh, how do I find the perpendicular? Well, you turn it upside down, and you change the sign. So if you've got minus 1/4, you turn it upside down, the answer is 4/1. You find the gradient, and if the gradient's -1, the perpendicular gradient is 1. So these questions were pretty easy, but these questions are more challenging. You've got to go, if AB is parallel to CD, we've got to try and find out what X is. Well, if they're parallel, it means their gradients are the same. So you work out the gradient of AB, and you work out the gradient of CD. So it's 8 minus 1 over 1 minus x. And now you kind of cross multiply here. That's what I did, and I got, that's 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. I got 1 minus x. That's minus 4 times 9. That's minus 36. Then I thought, oh, I should divide by both sides by 3 and get minus 12. And then all I have to do is add x and add 12, and I get x is 13. And that's the answer to the first question. The next question says, what if AB is perpendicular to CD? So just take the gradient of AB and multiply it by the gradient of CD. Now, and they have to multiply to equal -1. That's the big trick. Now, what did I do here? I went 7 minus 4 is 3. I multiplied both sides by -4 and 1 minus x, so it would cancel here. All I've got here is 9 and 3. Okay, what's -1 times it's +4 times 1 is 4. +4 times -4 is -4x. 3 times 9 is 27. What should we do here? Add 4x, take away 27. We get 4x is -23. So x must be -23/4. The last question, you're told that B, C, and D are collinear. That means that if they're on the same line, the gradient of BC must equal the gradient of CD. See, it just set up that equation again. So what's the gradient of BC? You go up here. Well, here's B and here's C, and you just do the gradient thing. -1 minus 7 over x plus 1. X minus 1. There you go. There's the gradient of BC, and there's the gradient of CD. Gradient of CD. And I went x minus 1 goes on the bottom, -1 minus 8 goes on the top. Now you just work it out. That's -8, that's -9. I cross multiply. Multiply both sides by x minus 1. Multiply both sides by x plus 1. You get -9x. You get -8x. You add 9x, you get x. And you go -7 minus 9. The answer must be -17. Those are the hardest questions in this little revision thing. But they come up. You have to do stuff like that.